This is Ian. I'm going to show you how to change the shipping template in a fulfilled by merchant listing on Amazon Seller Central. This video helps. Please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's get started. So this is the listing that I want to change the shipping template for. You can see that it's set up for November 2021 non-auto template. I'm just changing it to a free shipping template that I've already created. You can't do it from right here. It's kind of weird. You can't do it from the edit listing page. What you need to do is you need to select the listing using the checkbox on the left. And then on the bottom of the screen, you'll see this drop down. It says select group action. Change that to change shipping template. And then it'll say which shipping template. So I have a couple of them. And the one that I'm looking for is the US free template. And I'm going to say change shipping template. So it says changes will take 15 minutes to reflect on the product detail page. And what this will mean, practically speaking, for my customers on Amazon is when they look at the listing, it'll say free shipping if you choose the basic economy shipping. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me. I'll see you next time.